Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make keto yogurt at home. Crafting your own keto-friendly yogurt is surprisingly simple and incredibly rewarding. You will learn to transform just a few basic ingredients into a rich, tangy, and satisfying snack or breakfast option. This guide will walk you through each essential step, ensuring you achieve perfect results every time. Get ready to enjoy a delicious, low-carb treat that supports your healthy lifestyle. To begin your keto yogurt journey, you will need a few key items. Start with 1 quart of heavy cream, ensuring it is not ultra-pasteurized for best results. A good starter culture, such as 2 probiotic capsules or 2 tablespoons of plain, unsweetened yogurt, is crucial. You will also need a clean glass jar, a reliable thermometer, and a whisk. For fermentation, an incubator like a yogurt maker or an instant pot set to yogurt mode will maintain the ideal temperature. The fermentation process is where the magic happens. First, gently heat your heavy cream to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, then let it cool down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This cooling step is vital to protect your starter culture. Once cooled, whisk in your chosen starter culture thoroughly. Transfer the mixture to your clean jar and incubate it for 12 to 24 hours, maintaining a steady temperature of around 110 degrees Fahrenheit. The longer it ferments, the tangier it becomes. Once your yogurt has fermented to your desired tanginess, it is time for the final step, chilling. Carefully remove the jar from the incubator and place it directly into the refrigerator. Allow it to chill for a minimum of 4 hours. This crucial step helps the yogurt thicken considerably and stops the fermentation process. Your delicious, homemade keto yogurt will be ready to enjoy. Store it in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 7 days for fresh, low-carb goodness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.